Hey everybody! So today we're going to be doing the feather stitch, and this is a really pretty stitch. I think for like underwater scenes you could do this with coral. You could add lots of little buds on the end of it. There's a lot that can be do. Just even as a little border, it can be just used as it is, or dressed up with just a few French knots. It'd just be really lovely. Anyway, so this is how we're going to do it. So I can set that one aside. All right. Again, I'm just demonstrating on some burlap with my plastic needle and yarn so you can really kind of see what's going on. And so we're going to bring the, we're going to kind of, you know what, I'm going to flip this over. I have some lines here and we're just going to work with the one line. So we're going to bring the thread up and pull it through. And then we're going to bring that down there so you can see there a little bit better. With our needle kind of pointing back towards us, we're going to kind of thinking about making a little U shape. I'm going to poke it in, and then I'm going to come back up, and I'm going to come kind of close to this line. I think with the feather stitch, you don't actually have to like really follow a line so well, but you can certainly go down. You want to kind of keep it in the same location. And see, now we have like a little U. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring, again, my thread back towards me. I'm going to come across here, going to come down kind of by where that line is. And you don't have to have it drawn on. You can kind of imagine where it's at. I find it a little easier to have it drawn on. Otherwise, my lines go out, you know, wherever. And then we have another little U. And we're just going to keep going, alternating back and forward, little U's all the way down. So we'll do another one here. And bring it back in towards the line. And always make sure that you want this thread going underneath the needle. Just so, you know, you're basically just catching it with it. It's a little bit like the fly stitch. And we're going to go again here. And maybe we'll add one more in on the bottom. Pull that out there. And again in. And back towards your line. Make sure that loops under there. And pull it straight. And there we go. I'm going to just finish off with a little tiny stitch here to keep him down, and there you go. That's how you do the feather stitch. If you're finding these videos helpful, maybe consider liking or subscribing would be even better. That way I know that people are watching and finding them helpful and encourages me to make some more. Anyway, see you in the next video. Bye!